Hey friends, hi, welcome to our channel Gulf Jobs Station, where we bring jobs basically from Gulf region, UAE, KSA, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, all these countries we cover basically in the GCC region, and we try to bring opportunities from all the industries and companies and all. So today we have jobs from some countries. We have gathered the information. Let's move on to the details which we have regarding the jobs. So there are some opening in Oman, and they are urgently looking for following positions. Site HSE manager, they are looking for environment coordinator, HSE coordinator and trainer, HSE officers also, offshore onshore both. They are also looking for construction manager, technical manager and technical engineer, planning engineer, document controller, draftsman. They're also looking for project coordinator, and the email ID is careers@alhassainco.com. Let me spell it for you. CAREERS, that's careers @alhassainainco.com. You can also see on the screen. Let's move on to the next requirement. Al Hussain company, which I just announced, and then Al Hussain company also looking for some other positions in Abu Dhabi. We are currently hiring for following positions for our Abu Dhabi branch. Same company looking for resources in another country. Site HSE manager, environment coordinator, HSE coordinator, trainer, HSE officers, onshore, offshore, construction manager, technical engineer, planning engineer, document controller, draftsman, project coordinator. This is the same company, but location is Abu Dhabi, and the email ID is same, careers@alhassainco.com, which you can see on the screen as well. Let's move on to the next requirement. Bond Interiors UAE, this is the company, and they have multiple openings. A lot of vacancies are available. Few of them I'm announcing here. MEP estimator, 7 years of experience, minimum 7 years. Fit outs, contracting companies in UAE, mechanical engineer with immediately available will be preferred. So they need a quick joiner, minimum 7 years of experience, MEP estimator. Alright, UAE and mechanical engineer. Alright, so another position is MEP project manager. Looking for MEP project manager for Dubai, Abu Dhabi region. It's in UAE only. Dubai and Abu Dhabi are part of UAE. So MEP project manager is required. At minimum they're looking 10 to 12 years of experience, and of course in fit out industry, a mechanical or electrical engineering graduate will be preferred, and the person whoever is applying should have UAE license also. It is a big deal actually to get the license in UAE. So That is the reason they have mentioned takes a long time if you are beginner. It takes a lot of time, energy and money to get that license over there. So the exam is really tough, because we have gone through. I got KSA license, UAE license and Oman license, so I know the criteria and their trainings test as well. Alright, so UAE based person who will have the license or recently came go back join quickly with the license and all. So that is MEP project manager. Then they are looking for MEP project engineers also. Candidates with 6 to 7 years of experience in fit out companies, that too in UAE, and mechanical or electrical engineering graduate with valid UAE driving license. Alright, so again as MEP project engineer, so person should be able to move around the city and see the sites, progress status, inspections and all. For that individuals should have the driving license. How to apply? This is the basic question everyone asks. So for that they have provided an email ID, which is careers@bondinteriors.com, which is also visible on the screen. Alright, these are the openings from Bond Interiors UAE. Let's move on to the next requirement. Dorsch Holding GmbH Abu Dhabi is hiring. It's a bulk hiring. They have got a new bid tender, so a lot of opening, starting from draftsmen to engineers, managers and all, inspectors, planners, admin staff. I'm gonna take you through all the openings. Around 10 openings are there. So very first thing, where the project starts in the documents, drawings, designs and plans gets prepared first, and then that starts the implementation. So the Dorsch Holding GmbH Abu Dhabi is hiring for their new project. As I said, AutoCAD draftsman, 8 years of experience in drafting engineering drawings. Second is civil inspector, so 10 years of work experience with third-party inspection and civil works. And then they need documentation controller, all engineering project related documents. I will be responsible to the documentation control process as a document controller in charge for the project. 8 years of experience in the preparation of project documentation. This is the criteria: experience in preparation of as-built marked up drawings of brownfield projects. What are the as-built drawings and all? Once project gets completed, the as-built drawings company or vendor has to prepare to get the customer sign off. This is what we built. Both parties signs and they do the acceptance of the sites. So those are the as-built drawings and all. So experience in preparation of as-built marked up drawings of brownfield projects for the document controller. Then the fourth position is E&I inspector. 10 years of experience, preferably experience with third-party inspection companies. The preferred experience is third-party inspection companies. E&I inspector, 10 years of experience, preferably experience with third-party inspection companies. All right. Fifth is electrical designer, to design the electrical systems. 8 years of experience in the electrical design and engineering, and another label, a bit senior electrical engineer, you can say, is also, they have mentioned senior electrical engineer opening. For that they have asked 12 years experience in the designs, electrical designs and engineering of electrical systems. They also need the estimating or estimation engineer. 12 years of experience as a cost estimator of oil and gas field projects. Then mechanical inspector, 10 years of experience in tanks, piping, vessels, welding inspection, certifications as per specific job requirements. They have mentioned some code or standards. If you have experience in oil and gas, you might understand. API 653, API 570, CSWIP 3.2.2, level second NDT. So all these requirements they have specified for mechanical inspector. And then they have an opening for planner. 10 years of experience they required in the planning and scheduling of oil and gas projects, proficiency in reviewing and commenting on PEP developed by contractors. Alright, so a planner who should have 10 years of experience in planning and scheduling of oil and gas projects. Just remember all these, before you think of applying for these positions, you need to know the requirement. You will apply otherwise, and then keep commenting us asking we have applied but no response received from the company. So yeah, I'm sure if you have engineering experience, you will think of applying, but then they need industry specific and function specific too. That you need to read carefully. The 10th requirement they have mentioned is administration assistant, admin assistant, and 5 years. Admin assistant needs 5 years of experience in the secretarial and administrative assistant. That is the requirement they kept for admin assistant. And then how to apply, this is the basic thing which everyone want to know. Email ID they have mentioned is saleh.sayyed@dorch.com, which you can see on the screen as well. saleh.sayed@dorsch.com. Do mention the job title in the subject line. I wish you all the best for DOT openings. If you are willing to apply, do apply on your specific which you have expertise for the position. And let's move on to the next requirement, which we have from UAE. This is the hotel industry opening. There are multiple openings actually. Chef, assistant housekeeping manager, GR supervisor, assistant restaurant manager, assistant restaurant manager. Then they have sports animator, call me one pastry, Danish chef, the party pastry, and reservation agent, housekeeping intern. Minimum requirements are currently person should be currently available in UAE, currently working on the same profile role, 4-star 5-star hotel for let's say minimum 3 years, which they have mentioned. And please send your CV with all your related documents, including your experience certificates, and below email ID, which I'm going to share with you. Subject as per the position applied for. Due to massive response, please note that only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. That's the information. Of course, there will be multiple people applying, because you're not the one only watching. There will be hundreds of people watching. The opening is not only announced at this channel, it might be through multiple other platforms also. So there will be many people applying for all these positions. So apply quickly if you want to get selected, and do not expect that everyone will be contacted. So shortlisted people will be contacted, that they have mentioned clearly, and I'm also announcing the same. So email ID is somalinog@accord.com. Spelling it you can also see on the screen. KHOLLYJANE.SUMALINOG@ACCOR.com. Alright, do not make mistake in the email ID, and note it down correctly. If you are interested, send a CV quickly. I wish you all the best. Let's move on to the next requirement, which we have from Doha Petroleum Construction Company Limited. Again, they have plenty of openings. E&I construction engineer 4 positions, civil structural construction engineer 1 position, mechanical piping construction engineer 3 positions, E&I project engineer 8 positions, civil structural project engineer 4 positions, mechanical piping project engineer 6 positions. Then they have QA QC site engineer 3 positions, QA QC civil structural inspector 3 positions, QA QC ECNI inspector 3 positions, QA QC painting coating insulation inspector 3 positions. Requirements from the company are listed. Candidates must be multidisciplinary, minimum 8 years of experience in the oil and gas industry, minimum bachelor's degree in the relevant discipline, must be ready to join immediately. Attractive salary package as per industry standards, that is also mentioned. If you meet the qualification in educational and experience and everything, you are welcome to apply. shaheen.a@dopat.com. this is the email ID. You can also see on the screen. Wish you all the very best. If you are having the similar profile, everything matching, education, qualification, experience and everything, do apply. Wish you all the very best. Mention the title in the subject line, job title, please. Another oil and gas opening. We have a skilled professional required for the oil and gas offshore industry. Dry Dock Dubai is seeking talented individuals to join their team of HVAC department in Dubai. 7 to 15 years of experience, senior to junior, junior to senior, whatever you say. 7 to 15 years of experience required. Senior position, senior electrical engineer, designer electrical E3D, designer HVAC 3D modeling, engineer instrumentation, senior engineer instrumentation, document controller, engineer HVAC, senior designer HVAC, junior engineer piping, designer architecture, engineering architecture. And then the bottom line there mention is, if you're interested, matching the education qualification and everything, you can apply. Email ID is ganesh.ext@drydocs.gov.ae along with the details, your experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period. Let's see where your expertise can take us. So wish you all the very best. Email ID is with you, all the opening details are there. I hope these details will be helpful. Apply farafat without delays. I mean, go for it if you are having similar profile and experience. Thank you very much for watching each and every information patiently. Wish you all the very best. For more job related information, stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye.